It's just rained. Was raining. Is raining. I don't know. I've lost track. But in any case, this is England and it's raining. And I'm curious. I've had a tail tidy on my bike for a little while now, and it's only in the rain when you truly realise how not pleasant is what I'd say, having a tail tidy in the wet. And you'd think, well, it's just a tail tidy, right? What harm can it do? It's just sitting up your backside. Well, not up your backside, that's something else entirely. But I mean, it's just sitting there. What harm could it possibly do? If anything, it makes you look cooler, right? It cleans up the look of the bike. Well, I think people forget that all that plastic actually has a bit of purpose sitting there. And I'm going to refer to its more commonly used name in America, and it's a Fender Eliminator. And when you think about the American name, it makes much more sense now, doesn't it? Fender Eliminator. You're eliminating something that has function for the sake of looks. A tail tidy slash Fender Eliminator is purely for aesthetics. And so I put the question to you: is a tail tidy slash Fender Eliminator completely pointless in a country like Britain? Because it rains all the time. Why do you think that, Walker? You might be saying. Well, since putting my tail tidy, I have had a 100% increase in utter shit that's on my rear seat. And on top of that, a whole ton of crap on my backpack now as well. Now, the backpack part I'm not that bothered about, because in all honesty, when it rains, I use one of those waterproof backpack covers. I use a Krieger R25, and that backpack is not fully waterproof. We've got 2 candidates for a Darwin Award there. So I use the waterproof backpack cover, and it's, after a wet ride, it's just completely coated in shit. And if it wasn't for the backpack, then it'd be all over my back. Now obviously this depends on the bike you have. Perhaps with the stock, you probably already get tons of crap on your back. And that's fine. Go for the tail tidy then, it cleans up the look of the bike and doesn't really do much damage. But for me personally, I'm kind of regretting it now. But you know what's the kick out of all of this? I'm too damn proud of the install that I can't bring myself to remove the tail tidy. Perhaps it depends on your bike, and I got the short straw out of that one. Maybe you'll already get a ton of crap on your back anyway, and having a tail tidy doesn't really change anything. And in that case, yeah, go for it. Cleans up the look. I do prefer the look of a tail tidy on my bike, but I just don't like the crap that's on my back and the rear seat.